Is he here?
He's right there.
He's pushing against me.
He's right there.
Oh! It sounds like it gets louder on this side.
Jesus Christ.
He's like half an inch away from being in the bag.
No, he's, I think, went back in the pipe.
He's 10, 20, 30 inches from being in there.
Come on.
He's not fucking happy. This
Yeah,
is like catching kittens.
I wouldn't be
Kittens are
either.
little bastards and they're feral.
They're so cute though.
I wouldn't be either.
He's fighting against me.
Of course.
Be tougher.
I don't want to break it.
You
I
want
didn't put that much bonding on this.
Oh yeah, he's in the back. Caitlin, push him, push him. He's almost there.
I'm pushing.
I can touch him. He's in the bag. Yep. I think we got him.
There's something else scratching here.
That's fine, that's fine. We got him. We got him. He's in the bag. That's it.
What are you gonna do with them now?
Got him!
Oh my god.